Hello everybody and welcome back. Today I have some beautiful new DIYs to share with you. As always, they're simple, affordable, and easy to recreate. So if you're interested in seeing what I've done today, just keep on watching. Welcher's box, and so I decided to use it in a DIY because I really love the shape of it and I thought it would make a wonderful vase. The first thing I'm going to do here is just cut off the top portion of the box. The next thing I'm going to do is just use this Reynolds wrapping paper to wrap up the box. If you're new to my channel, welcome! I'm Mrs. Bobby and I make videos every Tuesdays and Thursdays with bonus videos on Sunday. So don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications so that you're notified whenever I upload a video. I'm going to be using these glamorous blue pearl jot stickers that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. I'll be using this silver foil leaf that I picked up from Amazon, as well as this blue glitter that is from my local craft store. I'll also be adding in some of this crushed glass vase filler. Right here you see me just spreading on the mixture and patting it down and spreading it out. Now that I have the center portion of our project complete, I'm going to go in with the same method using that crushed glass vase filler and some silver leaf, as well as some fine silver glitter. So now I'm just going to let it sit overnight and then I'm going to begin to work on the sides. For our next DIY, I decided to use this clear Elmer's glue as well as this clear vase that I already had, and I'm just going to coat the inside of the lower portion of my vase. Once again, I'll be using this silver leaf that I picked up from Amazon. And I'm just going to drop a few pieces on the inside of the glass. My goal here was to create a crackle effect, so I'm just going to spread it out and then go back in and pat it down. Right here you just see me cleaning up the top portion of our project with just a piece of tissue. Now you could definitely skip this part if you want, but I wanted my project to be a little bit neater. I'm going to be using this gray craft paint and I'm just going to paint the top portion of my project. Next, I'll be using this ultra fine glitter as well as Mod Podge. I'll be using these Pearl and Bling dry stickers from the Dollar Tree. Guys, I just wanted to mention that you will need to use some hot glue to make sure that your pearls stick down, because it will lift if you don't add some hot glue. I'll be using this glass candle stand that I already had, and it's from Dollar Tree. Alright guys, that is it. That's all that I have for you today. I hope you guys enjoyed this little video, because I really did enjoy making it for you. If you have, don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, as well as hitting the notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.